Hey guys, and welcome back to How Logical. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to hide your account in Badoo. Now let's begin. On any browser of your choice, simply type badoo.com and hit on enter right now. As you can see, I have already logged into my account. In case you have not, do log in right now. Do note that you can also hide your Badoo account from your mobile application as well. Right now, what we need to do is simply go to settings. At the bottom right, let's go to profile. Once you're in this page, what you need to do is simply go to settings. The buttons at the top right, it's a gear-like icon. And next to it, here's another icon like this. You can click on it to edit your profile details. But right now, what we need to do is simply go to settings. Once you're in the settings page, well, there are lots of options. Privacy, invisibility mode and everything. Worry not. Let's simply go to accounts. Once you're in the accounts page, it's gonna give you a few options like this, like hide profile, the main thing we're looking for, signing out, forgot password, and simply deleting account. Right now, we only want to hide our profile, so let's toggle on this button. And right here it says hide your account like you deleted it, but you can come back anytime you like. Well guys, that's it. That's how you hide your profile in Badoo. It's as easy as that. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. The support fuels us. Thank you.